Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name's Anthony.Salazar. They call me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Winnebago Adventurer 27N. It's a great unit. It's a little bit smaller unit, but it's got 3 slides on it, so it opens it up really nice with the opposing slides for in the bedroom and on the living room side. Let's go on and walk around real quick and check it out. It's got really nice storage. I've got the compartments open. It does have an outdoor TV. And then back here, you got a ton more storage. Accessible from all 3 sides of the coach. Really nice. Of course, you got your backup camera here. It's got a nice 5500 Onan generator. All your connections and flushes and hookups. Really good looking coach. Nice and small. Side cameras as well. Now if you like light colors, this is really a nice coach. It's got the lighter colors. The floors a lighter color, the lighter countertops. You've got your bunk bed up here, which lowers down. You just disconnect it. It's a power lowering bed. Nice kitchen in here. Lots of counter space. Nice double sink. Your cutting boards here, nice faucet, convection microwave oven, induction cooktop, and a gas burner as well. Nice little fridge in here, Norcold fridge and freezer here. Plenty of storage. And we'll head back in here to the bedroom. Nice built-in dresser, really nice. I'm gonna open this up because you got another little closet over here, so you got 2, like a his and her closet essentially. USB plugs, a nice little nightstand on the side there. You've got a CPAP machine. Really a great coach for the size and what you get. And check out this bathroom. Nice corner shower. Really a nice looking unit. Of course, you got everything centrally located here for all your controls. This is on the Ford platform, the V10. You've got the auto leveling system. Really a great coach. Guys, if you're looking for a nice unit like this one or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me Big Sal a call. 951-443-8323. Thanks.